Previously on Puppet Cap.
I want you to meet your new partner, Booker Jackson.
Fuck you.
Oh, shit! Drop it, asshole, or turn your partner's head into Swiss cheese.
They teach you everything in cop school, except how to tell the difference between your wife in a sexy burglar costume and an actual burglar.
So she says at 10:38, what do you think I am, Mormon? Yo, what's the deal, Sprinkles? Don't you have a sense of humor?
Not with Rico Muerta on the streets, selling coke to hookers and selling hookers to kids. Oh, check it out. Someone's here.
I got you right here. Got you right there. Good?
Time to crack a few eggs. Set the oven to medium and, I don't know, let's just go.
I just cooked a fast batch. It's gonna knock everybody on their ass.
Surprise, you scummy fucking asshole. We're searching the house.
Oh yeah? You guys got a warrant?
What the fuck is a warrant?
Very funny. You guys come back when you have a warrant here.
Ooh, look at me. I'm a big fancy drug dealer. I can make a big fancy fake words like warrant.
Look, I'm serious. You guys ain't trusting shit until you guys come back with a warrant, you hear?
Oh, well, let me reach in my pocket and get that for you. There's your warrant.
Booyah! Now that's how you break up a drug deal.
Hell yeah.
This is bullshit.
Well, you know, you guys didn't have a warrant.
Okay, let's just settle this once and for all. What the hell is a warrant?
Seriously? Didn't you guys go to cop school?
Matoski.
Present.
Sprinkles. Absent. Booker. Absent. Idiots.
We're in the same class? I didn't even recognize you.
I looked a lot different back then. Yo, peep this.
Wait a minute. Yeah, of course I wanted to be a cop. You know, I wanted to be LAPD my whole life. My dad was a cop. You know, his dad was a cop. You know what I mean? My dad, of course, disappeared, though, one day, which sucks. Every time I think about it, I get really emotional.
Drop the books. Hey, baby, how about you buy me lunch?
Okay.
Works every time.
I got mine.
Why are you drinking at the toilet? Why are you drinking at the toilet?
Very funny, guys. Okay, let's talk about this for a second.
Punch, twist, shock. Punch, twist, shock. Punch, twist, shock.
Punch, twist, shock.
Shock.
Oh, fuck. Wait a minute. That was you? You son of a bitch.
What the hell are you doing? Oh, shit. I'm gonna choke you. Squeeze harder, you fucking pussy.
Get your punk ass off me. Do your paperwork. Got a pump cap in your ass. I can't stick. You ain't get shot.
I thought you did.
But you made the face.
So did you.
Then who?
Oh, shit, Chief. Oh. Chief, are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. That's no big deal.
Oh, shit. What do you have 2 staplers for? Really, Chief?